Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and I'm just bringing you a picture of my stackable towers. And these flowers right here, I grew from seed and from the Dollar Tree. They're very pretty. I have mostly succulents in here. I have some onions at the bottom, and I have mostly succulents in here. That's what I decided I'm going to do for these stackables for easy maintenance. And these right here, those are from a donkey ear plant I had hanging, and the plant just went crazy, right? And it started dropping pieces of it all on the ground in the front. So it's very invasive. So every time I see a piece, I come and put it in my stackable, because my stackables are going to mostly be succulents. And to me, that's an easier way to maintain. And I have to do a lot of work, right? Because you don't do too much work for succulents. So I got some lemongrass in there. I have onions at the bottom. And I have a lot of easy grown plants in here. Succulents. Yeah. So that's what I decided to do with the stackables. Before I grew some peppers in them, but it kept drying out, and you had to keep staying on constant watering and stuff, because you're supposed to be able to put the water up on the top and it flowed down to the bottom, and that wasn't happening. You had to actually water these individually. So rather than go back and forth, I decided to do succulents, and they'll look just as pretty. So here's another place where I put my that donkey ear plant, and just little pieces, right? Look how that's growing. So if you actually come and look over here, this is a little one I just found the other day. See how tiny that is? And they start growing big. Now they're beautiful, but I would not suggest you hang them somewhere. And I actually have mulch. My whole backyard's mulch, and they still found a way to grow. So also look at this right here. For that milkweed, the monarch is eating whatever little bit that's left, and it's just one on there. And that plant just grew back from last year, so it was in a pot, so I stuck it in there, and he's going to town right there. Yeah, so as you can see, I do a lot of cactuses and easy plant growing as far as let's go ahead and take a look over here. And I did this the other day just because I had some extra things laying around inside my shed that I'm cleaning up. And of course, those are a mixture of succulents and cactus. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And where I had the plant where I had the the donkey ear, I had it up here. And then pieces just started falling all over the place. And everywhere I looked, everywhere on the ground, there were baby succulents. Baby donkey ears. So like this one right here, see how tiny that is? You can see that. So pick it up, and it has a root on it. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my stackable tower planters. As my strawberries going here. And we got some sunflowers going. Okay, so let's bring you this little video of how planning out my stackable towers, because it didn't really work good for food, as far as you had to just be on top of it constantly, watering it. And to me, the water is supposed to have flown to the bottom. I put new soil, everything in it, and it just dries out quickly. Most likely it dries out quickly because of the hot Florida sun, and where I have them right there on my patio. But it's okay, because I always find something to do with everything I have in this backyard. Okay, so yeah, that's just a different way. If you don't feel like dealing with the vegetables and what have you, you can also use it for succulents. Okay, hoping you're having a blessed day. Phasing out. Goodbye.